Nowadays, people tend to look over the real art.
It's time to switch gears, gotta slow it down. Gotta live a little bit before I'm in the ground. Yeah, we're all gonna die, the question is, will we live or just survive? Punch a time clock, in the end, every one of us hearts are bound to stop. We gotta live now, gotta give, gotta love, gotta hug all our kids now. Man, this life's a trip, and it's caskets and tears and rip. R.I.P. So what's it gonna be, son? Slow it down a little bit and run for the cake and cheese. Please don't follow the rest. Christ is the king, and so I'm following that. Follow rap cliches or give him praise. Your choice, but you really ought to walk this, man. This life is a trip, ain't it? How we work all week just to get faded. How we claw and scratch, but we can't make it. Medicate for the pain, cause we can't take it. Face it, there's gotta be more to earth than eat, sleep, drink, and go to work. You'll go berserk, and then count the cost of another soul left for lost. Left for lost. This life is a trip, ain't it? How we work all week just to get faded. How we claw and we scratch, but we can't make it. Medicating for the pain, cause we can't take it. Face it, there's gotta be more to earth than eat, sleep, drink, and go to work. You'll go berserk, and then count the cost of another soul left for lost. It's us, house of cards, but it's no game. Christ came, so your name equals no shame. No thing on earth worth selling your soul. Ain't tough, we can walk on gold. We can walk on gold. We can walk hand in hand with the one that sent his son, so we don't have to go back. Go back, never. Hand to the plow. Spread your wings, you can take off now. Take a knee, take a deep breath. You never know how many we got left. Got left at the altar, never with Christ. Faithful to the end of your life, to the end of your life. True life begins, you can't lose when you do life following him. No noose, no cuffs, let freedom become everything that you've been giving up. Cause this life is a trip, huh? How we steady chasing money, but we get none. How we steady after pleasure, but we get bummed. Gotta change how we think, can't get numb. By the coke, the liquor, the codeine. Gotta find us a new way of coping. Gotta find us a new way of life.